Welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use silicone fondant molds. I'm working on a pirate ship cake topper based on the Black Pearl from the Pirates of the Caribbean movies, and I needed a fondant mold, so I went to my local Michael's and was shopping around, and kind of sad they actually had buy 2 Wilton products and get a 3rd free. So instead of walking out with the 1 fondant mold that I went for, I ended up walking out with 3. So I thought I'd do a short video and show you how to use them. Let's go ahead and get started. So here are the 3 fondant molds that I got. This one is a Sea Life design, is what it's called. This one is lace. And this one is called damask. I have some pink fondant. I really like the Sea Life mold, so I think I'm going to go ahead and make a seashell. To work with your mold, you're going to want some cornstarch. If you live somewhere where cornstarch isn't available, you should be able to use corn flour. You just want a very, very fine powder, and an artist brush comes in handy as well. The first step to using your mold is to brush it really well with your cornstarch or your corn flour if that's what you're using, and make sure you get in all the little detail. Next, you want to use enough fondant to fill the mold, but keep as little off the edge as possible. You want to keep it within your mold. If it's a really deep mold, then you're better to use like a ball of fondant. If it's a long strip, then make a snake that will fill that cavity. So this, I think, will fill this with as little as possible here along the edge. And I'm just going to press it into the cavity of the mold. My fondant's a little sticky, so I'm going to put some powdered sugar on my hands here. Once you have your fondant completely in the cavity of your mold, then you need to cut away the excess that's along the edge. The best thing to use is like an offset spatula. Don't use a sharp knife. You don't want to cut your mold, and you're going to carefully cut the excess fondant away from the cavity of your mold. This can take some time, but you want to take time. It's better to get it right the first time than have to redo it. Another good trick is to use your finger to go around to find the cavity of the mold and to clean off the excess fondant. Once you have all the excess fondant cleared from around the cavity of your mold, to take it out, all you need to do is hopefully bend your mold. It will come back into shape, and just bend it in different directions until your piece pops out. Boom! There it is. That's how easy it is to use a fondant mold. It takes a bit of time, but it's worth it because you've got all kinds of different options out there, all kinds of fancy designs that you can make using these molds. Here are a couple pieces that I did. This is the one that we demoed, and then I did this one as well. I just painted it with a little gold paint. It's really easy to use these molds, and you can create great shapes and borders for your cakes. Thank you for watching today's video. Please join our channel. Be sure to hit the notify button. You don't want to miss out on our pirate ship cake topper, and I'm planning to do a pirate cake with it as well. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you back soon.